In a world of constant innovation, some things deserve a second life. In the internal combustion engine market, a dedicated workforce is preserving the power of what's old, extending the longevity of engines that drive industries forward. Because making what's old new again isn't just smart, it's essential for the future.
The internal combustion engine is the main source of power for all different types of engines, from small engines like lawn care, power sports, to automotive, agriculture, industrial, heavy duty, marine, and even performance. The value of a rebuilt engine is the cost savings and the quality that you will get back. Often these engines are built to a higher standard of quality than they were from the original equipment manufacturer.
Jim Rickoff is president and CEO of AERA, the Automotive Engine Rebuilders Association, a global organization that supports engine builders, rebuilders, and remanufacturers worldwide. This is achieved through the association's many technical support programs, like Process Pro online engine specification software, regional technical conferences, and online training certification program for engine machinists, among other resources. AERA also has established the Engine Rebuilders Educational Foundation, EREF, to provide grants and scholarships to those seeking training in the engine building industry.
AERA's online training program brings professionalism to the engine rebuilding industry. With today's engine technology, professionals need to know that there is training out there to help them further their career and make sure that they're doing the process correctly. Our goal with AERA's online training is to provide the fundamentals of engine rebuilding to the students. Not only does it start with the fundamentals of engine rebuilding, but it goes into a more comprehensive program with engine disassembly, inspection, machining, and assembly. For anyone currently working in a machine shop or looking to get into the career of engine rebuilding, it is nice to know that there is a program out there to help them further their career and educate them in the engine rebuilding industry.
AERA's online training was a great starting point to get the foundation of where to start and where to go on engine rebuilding, how to do your failure analysis and the measuring on different parts on the engine. It gave me the building blocks on where to start, what to be looking for, what needs to be done as an engine rebuilder.
Every country's strength lies in its workforce, skilled, knowledgeable, and dedicated. Supporting those who power our industries ensures all nations stay strong, productive, and moving forward.
AERA is one of the most valuable tools that we have in the shop, just as important as any of the machine equipment that we have. The vast wealth of knowledge that they have for the automotive engine rebuilding industry is invaluable. They have many things to offer in this industry. One is being the Process Pro software. It is quick and easy to use. We have specifications for over 15,000 engines at our fingertips. Another thing that they offer is a knowledgeable staff tech support line. So if we can talk one-on-one with one of their techs, if we have a problem in engine diagnosing or machining problems, they're there to help us on that.
AERA online training is very self-paced. You're able to complete it within a year. So if you want to finish within a month or finish within a year, you're able to do that. The web platform is super easy to use. You're able to see what progress you've done and what progress you still have to do. Each chapter, you're able to read through it. At the end of it, you have a final test for it. You have to get an 80% or better in order to move on to the next chapter.
Established in 1922, AERA is the industry's oldest and most authoritative organization, serving an international membership made up of thousands of small and large businesses serving industries like automotive, agriculture, mining, marine, motorsports, and performance racing.
We support engine rebuilders worldwide, so we're a worldwide association that gives technical information to machine shops who rebuild engines, anything from single-cylinder Briggs & Strattons to large Caterpillar big engines. AERA prides itself as being the source of information, so we are the only ones that provide this information to our industry. We have a database of over 15,000 engines with technical information, bulletins, diagrams, all kinds of things that can help the machine shop rebuild the engine.
It's very simple to find one of our members. You simply go to our website, and go to the member locator, plug in your zip code, and there you'll find a list of members near you. The mission of AERA is professionalism in the engine rebuilding industry. We are the source for information. We provide a litany of technical information to engine professionals worldwide, therefore providing you the comfort of knowing that they have a resource for all of the professional technical specs and information needed to build a quality product.
To learn more, visit aera.org today.